In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Iris shaders on Minecraft. So let's just go through. First of all, you'll have to go and open like any browser that you have. Once you do so, in the search button, you'll have to go and look for Iris shaders. So once you do type that, you'll have to go to their official website. And here is an example. So here, I'm just going to click on download now. And of course, I'm going to download Universal Java, go and download it. And simply as example here, you should find it here normally, as you can see, downloaded. So for you, if you double click on it as example and nothing happens, of course, it's probably just because it's a jar file or something like that. It's normal. And probably that means that you don't have Java downloaded. So you can just go to any place and click on Java. Of course, you'll have to add download. And simply just go and click on download Java and download Java for your Windows. For example, if you have Linux, Mac OS, you'll be able to do so. So once you download this, you can just go back and simply just double click on it, and this should open for you. So in your example, you can just go and choose the Iris only, click on install, and it should start installing. For example, now once it's completed, you can just go and get some shaders back as example if you want to. So let me just go here and look for some shaders back Minecraft. There are of course a lot of websites that can help you do so, like CurseForge. An example here, you can look for whatever suits you. For me, I'm just going to enter an example this one, and yeah, this seems good. An example, I can just go and click on download. So once I click on download, I'll be able to download it. And now as you can see, I downloaded this as a zip file. So what you'll have to do, of course, is go back to your downloads folder and make sure to unzip as example what's in here. So what's unzipped as example, and just go and refresh this. So whatever you extracted as example, you'll have to go and copy that. Or you can, before an example extracting it, copy it and extract it on the file that we want to have things on. Now as example, once you copy it, you can just go and hit Ctrl+C. You can just go and click on Windows R, as example, and make sure to go and hit %app data %, and then click on OK. This should open this place. So go and click on Minecraft, and here as example, we'll have to go and look for a little bit, and we'll find the shader pack. Once we do so, we'll have just to paste the pack in here as example. I didn't copy it. Let me just go back, and here we'll go and paste it right here. So now you'll have to go and open Minecraft again. Of course, if it's still open, you'll have to go and close this and open it again. Because when you try to open it again, you'll not have to open it like normal mode. You'll have to open it through Iris shaders. So you can choose an example from your launcher. And normally, how to know if it's running good, you should find an example moded here at the bottom left. Once you have it, you can just go and access your Word example and go hit the escape key, options, video settings. And normally, if you run through Iris shaders, you should not find this option. You should find the example, a shaders pack at the top right. You can just go and click on it, and you'll find basically the shaders pack that you just downloaded and add it to the folder of the shaders. So go and click on it, then click on apply, and the shaders should be applying to your Word. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.